Hello everyone, my name is Rehan and I'm currently pursuing BCA at IFIM College. When I look back at my journey, it has been profoundly transformative and has shaped me into a confident and competent person. When we look at the 3-year BCA program at IFIM, it's not only about the technical knowledge what we receive, but also the valuable experiences and skills. One of the most significant experience which I got at IFIM was participating in the Social Immersion Program, wherein I was a part of Kanyatam Shiksha Kendra. This experience helped me to contribute to the society as well as improve my leadership skills and communication skills. Another significant achievement was participating in the research incubation program, wherein my mentor Sunita Chatterjee helped me to publish a research paper on artificial intelligence in the book Rethink to Grow. This helped me to enhance my ability to comprehend the new technology. I worked on LASIK surgeries and interpreted the data, and they took many reviews from different hospitals and combined it together to form my research paper. Another practical experience at IFIM is the workshops. The workshops helped us to give hands-on experience on different technologies like Ubuntu, Java, PHP, Python. Recently, we had a PHP workshop wherein an industry expert came into our college and taught us about the database connection of PHP to a website. This workshops helps us to give a strong help us to build a strong foundation over a short duration of time. I'm grateful for all the opportunities IFIM has provided me and the guidance I have received throughout my journey. If you are looking for a place to grow and achieve your dreams, IFIM is the right place for you.